So a while back, we had purchased this Hughes Auto Transformer. It is a voltage regulator and a surge suppressor all built in one. Just recently, we were in a campground where the electric power was really messed up. It was under voltage, then over voltage, and then it gave us a surge. So after we moved to a different part of the campsite, the electric was good, but we were still getting on line 1, it was boosting up the voltage to like 134 volts, which was bad, and the light was staying on. So that was telling me that the Hughes Auto Transformer was boosting up the voltage. When I checked the voltage at the shore power, it was actually showing like 120 volts, which was perfect. Oddly enough, all these lights here were completely green, and the surge capacity on both of these were also showing green. So none of this was affected, but the system was trying to continuously add voltage into through the auto transformer. So I had previously done a repair on this auto transformer. There was a board in there that was part of the surge capacity that I had to replace, and Hughes was really good about sending out a replacement part to put it in there. It was a little difficult to replace that part. I did have to drill, there was some rivets in here, so I had to drill those rivets out, and they did supply these screws to screw this back together. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a little peek of what is inside. So the electronics that I had to replace before was this box right here. And the problem that we have is one of these relays are sticking, and right there you can see it's burnt. The relay itself is burnt together. Hughes sent me 2 new relays. Exact replacements. I went ahead and put a little light on the subject here so we can see. I'm going to snip this wire tie right here so we can get a little bit better access to our wires. And I'm going to start moving these wires one by one over to the new relay. Alright, we got that separated from these wires right here. Let's go ahead and replace this relay. We'll start over on this side, and we're going to start replacing these one by one. Oh, they're on there pretty good. Go ahead and pull out the other relay that's down inside here. This looks like a brand new relay. Don't see any damage or anything burnt. This is probably the line 2. So we're only having problems with the line 1. Let's go ahead and remove that double-sided adhesive. Let's get that down inside there. I think I'm going to put that wire tie back on. I'm not a big fan of wire ties, only because wire ties put a lot of pressure on the wires, on the insulation. So we're going to keep that just like that. Alright, let's go ahead and assemble. Put it back on. Adding these screws made it significantly easier to access the inside of this auto transformer, for sure. All right, let's go give this a test.